I am Vasily Stakh, the founder of 3 companies, and my mission is to create a society of healthy, financially literate people. At the age of 20, I started my first business, and by the age of 28, I had created a passive approach for myself, which allowed me not to work for money. But after that, I did not sit down on the sofa, but continued to work and chose to do only decent, long-term and beneficial projects for people. Do what you love and come what may. This attitude helped me to be happy in my life and do what I liked. Now I'm helping people find their purpose. Since 2000, I have opened a health club and help people to be healthy with the help of natural drugs. Since the 2017 I founded the Eco Bread Company and supply delicious and healthy pastries to Ukrainian families without industrial yeast and other harmful additives. In the 2018 year, I created the board economic game Financial Flow in Ukraine to develop the skills of a businessman and investor, money and people management. At the moment, it is played in all major cities of Ukraine, as well as in Belarus in Minsk. In the 2019 year, I created the Fear Consult Training Center and conduct training courses where I give basic skills in managing myself, health, business, money and relationships. I conduct trainings for aspiring entrepreneurs. I also started recruiting coaches to the school and began to train everyone who wanted to play my game in the financial flow in Ukraine and work with me in a team at large corporate events. For 16 years I have conducted more than 1,500 trainings, master classes, seminars and consultations. I have received awards and gifts from suppliers of Oriental medicine products as the best distributor in Ukraine. I have been lecturing at the International University for the Humanities since 2018. I have organized seminars and trainings on the topics of health, spirituality, sales and finance. I am also a speaker at business conferences in Odessa, Kyiv and Moscow. My values are honesty, decency and a healthy lifestyle.